Hey, it's Kevin from Cruising with Wheels, and you're not going to see Santa, but you're going to see our NCL Getaway vlogs.
We're button. Okay, there we go. Stop it. Be silly.
Go.
Hey guys, it's about 5:45 p.m. We just got up from an afternoon nap. We got back to the cabin about 1:30-ish after lunch.
Really?
Yes, we did.
We're lazy
yeah,
bones.
I know. We tooled around in Roatan and did some shopping and got some ornaments and, whatever. And as usual, Roatan, it started to rain. It always rains when we're here. But there wasn't much to do because it's just shops and, there was music and...
We suggest you do a short excursion if you come here, but we've been here a few times.
Yeah.
We just wanted to do a little shopping, and we have been, filming and talking with all of our friends and our
we met
crew.
We met a lot of people while we were out in Roatan and Port, and it was nice to be on the other side of the island from what we're used to. So that was kind of cool.
We were exhausted, so we just came back to the room. We took a nap. I'm getting a little of that respiratory thing, I don't know what you call it. But
Translation, we're both going to be sicker than dogs again on another cruise by the time we go home.
That's all right. Whatever.
Yeah, isn't cruising fun?
I sat out on the balcony, and if you were on Instagram, you saw the little guy that canoed by.
I know, that's crazy. Can you imagine? Okay, literally middle of the ocean, man, canoe, chest of beer.
Well,
what could go wrong?
We're really not in the middle of the ocean.
It looked like he was in the middle of the ocean. It was kind of freaky.
It was crazy.
But I'm sure he was happy.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to go take a minute and grab what we got? Real quick, that little gift we got.
Oh, the big gift we got?
Okay, the big gift. Let's show them while, Okay, Kevin's going to run over to the TV area. We put it over there on the ledge.
Oh, look.
Oh my God, are there treats inside?
Yes, there are.
Oh my God, he's going to do...
That's what I just tried to figure out.
Kevin's going to do a demonstration of the gift we got. It is a beautiful chocolate sculpture from Laura Donna Moldovan, and she is the food and beverage director here on the NCL Getaway. We knew her
and there's all these little chocolates all around.
We knew her back in 2017 aboard the NCL Gem, and she got promoted here to the director. So all of a sudden we come and knocky on the door, and somebody delivers this plate of chocolate sculpture and candies.
So listen, guys, I thought this was like a cake. It looks like a cake.
So Kevin's going to demo.
And when I went to go move it, watch. This comes off, and inside there's more chocolates.
Truffles.
Don't get that on your clothes.
It's okay.
Oh, and
just
guys,
because we're wearing white and handling chocolate.
Right. So listen, guys, I am going to sacrifice and send out some of my clothes to the laundry. You all have been asking, how does the laundry service work? Does your clothes get shrunk?
Right.
All those questions that you have. So I decided that this cruise I will sacrifice. Frank said no, he won't.
I'm not touching my clothes.
Except that one T-shirt, because it's a basic white T-shirt.
Yeah.
Which I don't know what you got on it.
Chocolate from my caramel chocolate cheesecake last night at Cagney's. Yeah, the OMG caramel butterscotch cheesecake. Dribble chocolate on my white T-shirt. And I did what my mother would do, which I took my cloth napkin, I dipped it in my ice water glass, and I dabbed out as much of the chocolate as I could. And then when I got back to the cabin, I took one of my little travel shout wipes and try to get the rest of it out. But that would be nice to send that out as well and see what they can do with it.
Yeah, I just want to see how it will work, and I want to see if we get everything back.
Yeah. So, if you're wearing white, la la la, handle all the chocolate you want.
Keep it above here. the belly has been growing as the cruise has gone on. Now I'm gonna run over and across the hallway and check on Dave and Darlene. They just got back to their cabin. They've been at the beach all day, and then we're supposed to go to Tabernacle tonight. I don't know. He doesn't feel too good.
Maybe, I'm not sure. Probably not. Very full. Feel sick. Not looking good. Don't care if I eat. This morning, breakfast was just my Kellogg's breakfast bar that I brought with me and coffee. That was it.
Can you imagine that? But I only just had toast.
Yeah, he just had toast. And lunch was very light. I had a cold string bean salad with a little...
Well, they saw.
Did you? Okay, well, I'll recap.
I think we showed, right?
Little coleslaw, sliver of a pizza, and 3 chunks of an Indian pork.
Yeah, I don't understand on the Getaway what they're afraid with the pizza. They give you these little tiny slivers.
Slivers, yeah.
But what I guess they don't want to make a million pieces, but
like a little sliver of pizza for like a baby.
Yeah.
Baby pizza.
Maybe we'll blow the lid off of that operation. Yeah. But we will catch you at dinner.
Yep. Be back later. Bye.
Hey guys, so I went over and I saw Dave and Darlene. They had a great time, and I think they went to Little French Key in Honduras. They had a wonderful time. So maybe at dinner we'll talk a little bit about that, and they can tell you their story. But I wanted to go back to laundry service, and we get... Oh, I didn't get this. Hold on 1 second. So, Platinum members, Platinum and above, get free laundry service. They get 1 bag. So I wanted to show you the bag. This is the laundry bag. It's pretty big. And we decided that we're going to avail ourselves of the laundry service. We've always been petrified because I like my clothes, even though they're from Walmart. But you will get a little slip of paper like this that says you're entitled to 1 bag for a complimentary bag of clothing laundered. And so all you have to do is get your bag, which is hanging in the closet when you get here. And then you fill out this slip. And we will have a sample of this slip on Facebook for you. And it has all the prices. And you just kind of fill out what you're putting in the bag. Now in this bag I have 2 pairs of shorts, a t-shirt, and a collared shirt. That's what we're gonna try. I spilled something on my khaki shorts. I can't get it out, so we're gonna test the laundry service. And then it's really disgusting, but shit happens and life happens. The white shirt I wore today, I must have been sweating profusely, and I have ring around the collar. So I'm gonna see if they get that out. And then Frank spilled chocolate on his white t-shirt. So, but I wanted to tell you guys that this laundry bag is really quite large. I could probably fit 4 pairs of shorts, I would say, and probably 4 shirts, maybe, 2 or 3 t-shirts and a couple of collared shirts. So I am going to find out which slip you keep and which slip you don't. We're going to ask our room steward. And I will let you know when I do the follow-up to this. Because one of these goes to billing, one of them goes to the laundromat, or the laundry service, and one of them you keep for your records. The big thing that you have to do though, because I'm sure a lot of people aren't reading this little blue slip, they're just going, free laundry, woohoo! Is that on the Laundry Valley service slip, you have to write someplace on there that you are a platinum status Latitudes rewards member and that you want your free bag of laundry. And I say they're not getting this blue slip from me because this is proof that they gave me one free bag of laundry. So, anyways, I'm all changed and ready for dinner. And I'm going to Teppanyaki. Frank is kind of feeling a little tummy upset tonight, so he's going to stay back and skip dinner, which is a shame. Teppanyaki is fabulous. But, yeah, I just wanted to tell you that's what I'm doing, and we will let you know how that laundry service works. You look so pretty with your glasses on. Filming? Yeah, I was gonna say, I found Dave and Darlene met me downstairs. I already told you Frank doesn't feel well, and we have our fourth guest with us behind Darlene. It's actually a painting, but doesn't it look like somebody's peeking over our shoulder? She's gonna watch us eat. We have other people at the table.
Hello everyone, good evening. Alright, welcome to Teppanyaki. Alright, here in Teppanyaki actually, your appetizer, edamame, miso soup, and seaweed salad with ginger dressing. You don't need to order, it will be served automatically to you, alright? So all you have to do is just choose one of our main course, it's either in Teppanyaki Classic or in Teppanyaki Combination. Our chef recommendation is asuka. Asuka is filet mignon with jumbo shrimp. That is the best one. And it comes with unlimited fried rice. Alright? Does anybody having any food allergy, special diet? Any question? Alright, I'm going to take your order together with your drinks or
Yeah, you're welcome. For my new best friend. And the last one. For the very important person, oh my God, my lawyer. Okay, so turn around. Turn around. Every now and then you get a little bit lonely. Never come.
Wow, was it good? Delicious. I'm stuffed. Look at how banging your hair looks tonight.
And I spent all of 2 seconds on it.
Who does your hair?
Natural curls.
It looks so good. It was so good. Nothing against the jade, right? Because we love the jade, but this had more flavor.
This was outstanding, delicious.
Outstanding.
Very generous too. You definitely don't go hungry. Great cocktails.
Dave's looking over here, giving everybody the eye.
More shrimp. More shrimp.
It was really good.
You want more shrimp? You want more rice?
I
Yes.
know, it was a lot of food.
It was.
So now we're gonna have dessert.
just in case you have any more space.